you about the file modes. What are the different modes in a file? So iOS app, app. So what do you mean by iOS app? Means it is used to append to the end of file. Append to end of file. So what do you mean by appending to the end of file? Means, for example, this page is there. Here I will add some more, end of file. So for example, this page, if you take it as a file, at last we are adding some data. Adding in computer language, here they are writing it as appending. Append to the end of file. So in order to perform this operation, we are going to use some header file called awkstream. Okay, in computers, anything we are performing, support of header files is very important. So the next thing is iOS, 4 dots you should write, in. iOS in means it is used to open a file for read. Open a file for reading. Okay, for reading. So for this, in order to perform this, we are going to use ifstream class. This is the header file, that is mandatory. So next thing is iOS out. iOS out. So why do we use open file for writing purpose? Open file for write. Open file for write only. In order to perform this, we will use a class called ifstream. Here I want to tell you one tip, students. Look here. Read means I won't be there, but for its file modes I will be there. Write means I will be there, but the file mode I won't be there. It is a tip. Okay. So next one, iOS ATE. Just for explanation, you refer the video. Okay. iOS ATE. It is used to update. Okay. It is used to update file. Means if a file is in this mode, we are updating the file. So when we are updating the file, what we are using? We are using a header file called ifstream. We are using a header file called ifstream. Next one is iOS binary. So what do you mean by iOS binary? Opening a binary file. So if a file it is in iOS binary means opening binary file. We are opening a file. What kind of file? Binary file. What is a binary file? In binary file, data will be in zeros and ones. Okay. In binary file, data will be in zeros and ones. Okay. So for that, we are using two classes called ifstream class and offstream class. Ifstream class and offstream class. So iOS binary is there. Next one is iOS no replace. Next 5 mode is iOS no replace. iOS no replace is next file name. So no replace means turn down opening, turn down. What do you mean by turn down? Means will not allow opening the file. Turn down, open, turn down, opening if the file exists. If file already exists. If file is already there, turn down means we are not allowing to open that file. Okay, that mode we call it as no replace. So for no replace, what we are using? Off stream header file. Off stream header file. Okay, so next one is iOS no create. iOS no create. iOS no create also same, but the file does not exist. Turn down means we are not allowing. Turn down, we are not allowing to open a file. Turn down, opening. If file does not exist. If file does not exist. If file does not exist. Okay, file does not exist. So for this what we are doing? Off stream only. We are using off stream only. So next one, last one, iOS truncate. Trunk, short means on opening delete the contents of file. So on opening means when we open the file contents are deleted. On opening delete contents of files. Delete contents of files. Everyone read entire textbook. Contents of files. So now look here, if you observe carefully, these are the file modes. iOS app, in, out, 8, binary, non-replace, no create, truncate. If you observe, iOS and scope resolution is same. Tip I am telling. So next one, if you observe, for how many if stream is there? Only 2 if stream, 3 if streams are there, remaining everything off streams only. Like that you should prepare these file modes. You can see this question in your textbook and it is very important. Thank you.